Ever wondered why monkeys are so energetic? Could the secret to their vigor lie in their favorite food, bananas? Let's embark on a journey together to peel back the layers of this vibrant yellow fruit and uncover its many benefits for our wellness. Bananas, simple and unassuming, are genuine powerhouses of health. These tropical treasures are chock full of essential nutrients that our bodies crave. They're rich in vitamins, minerals and fiber, all of which contribute to the overall well-being of individuals. Firstly, bananas are a fantastic source of vitamin C. Yes, you heard it right. We often associate vitamin C with oranges, but bananas pack a punch too. This vital vitamin supports our immune system, keeping us strong and resilient in the face of various health challenges. Secondly, bananas are famous for their high potassium content. This essential mineral plays a crucial role in maintaining heart health and blood pressure. It also supports effective nerve and muscle function. In essence, a banana a day could keep the cardiologist away. But that's not all. Bananas are also a rich source of vitamin B6. This vitamin is a superstar when it comes to brain health. It helps produce serotonin, a hormone that affects our mood and sleep. So, bananas could potentially be your ticket to better mental health and improved sleep patterns. Additionally, bananas are an excellent source of dietary fiber. A diet high in fiber can help maintain bowel health and prevent digestive problems. So, bananas not only taste fantastic, but also help keep our digestive system running smoothly. Now let's talk about the energy factor. Bananas are nature's energy bars. Packed with natural sugars, fructose, glucose and sucrose, they provide a fat and cholesterol-free source of energy. That's why athletes often reach for a banana during strenuous workouts. To summarize, bananas, with their wealth of vitamins, minerals and fiber, are a brilliant addition to our diet. They boost our immune system, support heart and brain health, aid digestion, and provide a natural energy boost. So, next time you're in the supermarket, remember to toss a bunch of bananas into your shopping cart. Your body will thank you. And who knows, you might just find yourself swinging from the trees with renewed energy and vitality, just like our monkey friends. Now, isn't that appealing? End with bananas. They're not just a fruit, they're a lifestyle. Embrace the wellness banana and let it guide you on your journey to health and vitality.